The backwards loop cast on is a cast on that a lot of knitters start with, but I actually don't recommend it for most situations because of its instability and its tendency to stretch out. So it can be used at the beginning of a project, and it can also be used in the middle of a project, but it has a tendency to stretch out, and it doesn't hold its shape very well. So I'll show you how to do it. You start with a slip knot or some established fabric, and you just take your needle and you wrap your yarn once around your finger. You just take one loop and put it on. Just make a backwards loop, and you want to make sure that you capture the thread in between here, which is why we sort of called backwards. It has to be in between the stitches to stay. Now this looks like it is the simplest cast on, but I don't recommend it for most situations because of its sort of flexibility and its tendency to stretch out like this and gain space in between the stitches. It's also, if you make a mistake and you lose one, then it's easy to pick back up again, but it just doesn't hold its shape the same way as the other ones do. So I recommend, if you're casting on with a short tail or in the middle of a row, I would recommend the knitted cast on or the other short tail cast on with the double loop rather than the short tail cast on. But there you have it.